Sis, where are you? Fourth brother's waiting to celebrate his birthday.
Okay, got it. I'm on my way now. What's going on? Why are the brakes not working? Watch out! Get out of the way! Am I going to die? So, the world I live in is a romance novel. My 3 younger brothers are the villains in the book. My second brother is a ruthless CEO in Jing City. He likes the heroine Helen, and always antagonizes the male lead. In the end, he goes bankrupt because the male lead outsmarts him and he loses everything. He's completely ruined. My third brother is a controversial top celebrity. On a variety show, he always targets the male lead. As a result, he ends up being cyberbullied. He becomes depressed and commits suicide. My fourth brother is a delinquent school bully. He sends the male lead's studious younger brother to the hospital. In the end, he goes to jail. And me? I am the male lead's deceased first love. My sole purpose is to create misunderstandings between the male lead and female leads. Oh, God. This is too much. This is so cliché. We refuse to be part of the main character's drama. Didn't I die? Where am I? 2025? I was reborn? I was reborn 11 years after my death?
Hurry up, the CEO is here. He booked the whole place. We're clearing out all the customers.
Clearing out a whole mall just like that? Just like in any novel. CEOs are always so ostentatiously absurd.
It must be Helen coming to shop. The CEO probably doesn't want her to be disturbed. Isn't that so sweet? Actor Gabriel might regret it now. Their CPU is so hyped up. He'll try to win her back.
Wait, Helen? Isn't she the female lead of this novel? And the actor Gabriel? He must be the male lead Gabriel. The absurd CEO they're talking about couldn't possibly be my dear second brother. I think Sebastian has lost his mind. He clears out the mall during peak hours? No wonder he goes bankrupt in the end.
Excuse me, we're closed. Please leave now.
The CEO is here. The mall manager will definitely see him. I can use him to find second brother. Sorry, but I need to talk to your manager. Could you help me contact him?
Okay, I will call him right now.
What is it?
Hello, sir. Excuse me, is Sebastian next to you? Can I talk to him?
Who is this? How dare she call Mr. Sebastian by his name? Mr. Sebastian, there's a woman who wants to talk to you. Will you take it?
Who are you? What do you want?
I'm your older sister.
Get lost.
Are you kidding? How dare you hang up on me? You just wait!
Get that woman out of here. We all know that Mr. Sebastian's older sister is a taboo subject. To get his attention, she dares to impersonate his sister. She must be tired of living. Don't worry, Mr. Sebastian. I asked our security to deal with it.
We're clearing the area now. Let me know when you're here. I'll come down to meet you.
Who would have thought the decisive Mr. Sebastian in the business world would be such a fool? A meeting? Just because Helen wanted to go shopping, he canceled it. This phone will blow up with messages soon.
Mr. Sebastian, the brand that Miss Helen endorses...
Mr. Chris, why don't you go check on the clearing?
Assistant Jamie, don't you worry about my work. I'm almost done.
Continue.
Why are you like this, Mr. Sebastian, when it comes to Miss Helen? You lose focus on your work. Oh, this job. It's bad for my mental health.
Mr. Sebastian.
Sebastian? You're really gonna get it this time! Huh? You're really gonna get it this time! Huh?
Sister.
Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! Why are you crying? Even without Mom and Dad, I can still take care of you. I won't let anyone bully you. Do you hear me? So stop crying.
Who are you? Where did you come from? What are you doing? Let go of him right now!
Get out now.
That's right! Get out now! Oh. You mean me?
Who else do you think? Go now.
Sister.
Go on, give me a glass of water. You have no idea how tired I am from searching for you floor by floor. By the way, I want you to stop clearing the place out right now. Reopen for business.
Sis? Is that you?
Do as I say!
That's right. That's the familiar strength. My sister is back. Stop clearing the area. Continue the business.
Hey, Assistant Jamie. I think I just saw Mr. Sebastian's eyes turn red.
I don't think so.
Right, you're right. I was mistaken. My eyes have been playing tricks on me lately.
Sis, did you time travel from 11 years ago?
That's right. Look at these clothes. This is what I was wearing when I
Don't
died.
say that. It's bad luck.
Fine, I won't say it. That day, Gabriel and I went to buy a cake. On the way back, the brakes failed and we had an accident. When I woke up, I was here.
I'll never forget that day. If Gabriel didn't insist on buying a cake, Sis wouldn't have had that car accident.
That's okay. Let's not talk about the past. Come with me, let's go shopping. I'm going to make up for all of the shopping that I've missed these past few years!
Okay, let's go.
I want the latest phone!
Charge it.
I'll take this whole row!
Charge it. Charge it. Charge it.
Spending your money feels so good.
Sebastian, I'm here, but there's so many people. Haven't they finished clearing the area yet?
I was so busy with my sister today, I almost forgot about Helen. I didn't clear the place today. I'm busy and can't go shopping with you. Maybe next time.
What's wrong?
Oh, nothing.
This is the first time he hasn't left immediately because of Helen. This is great. We're saved because of his sister.
I didn't clear the place today. I'm busy.
He just asked me if I'm here. Now he's busy? He should be honored if I go shopping with him. If only it weren't to make Gabriel jealous. I wouldn't even glance at him.
Helen, are the paparazzi we contacted to sneak in and take pictures here?
I don't believe it. What could be more important than me? Sebastian, are you mad at me? I fell asleep in the car and I didn't see your message. I didn't mean to not reply to you.
Who's messaging you?
It's nothing. Don't worry.
Is this true? Mr. Gabriel is ignoring Helen's messages. Okay, we'll be right there. Helen, the paparazzi are waiting for us.
I can't believe he's still playing hard to get with me. Let's go. Tell the paparazzi to leave. What the hell? He stood me up. I'm leaving now, Sebastian. If you're busy, I won't bother you anymore.
I'm not mad. I just had something to do. Sorry, Helen. I'll go shopping with you next time.
100,000. Trying to get rid of me like a beggar? I don't want it. If I don't accept it, Sebastian will transfer more. This time, he has to show enough sincerity.
Which of these should I choose?
They're both good.
My brother is really a fool in this novel. He transfers out 100,000 just like that? Calm down. He's my brother. I can't kill him.
If you like these, you can buy them all.
Forget it. There still needs to be one thrifty person in the family. I'm not buying them. Thank you, boiling sheep.
What does that mean?
I'm not sure either. I only know that boiling sheep likes pretty sheep, but pretty sheep likes pleasant sheep.
And so,
Maybe that's why she called you a fool.
how could I be a fool?
I'm tired of shopping. Let's go home.
Mr. Sebastian dumps an innocent flower and finds new love. This will be tomorrow's headline.
You bought a new villa? What about the other villa? Did you give it to third brother?
That villa, I sold it.
Huh?
Sis, I'll call third brother later and tell him you're back.
Is he in Jing City right now?
No, I think he's on a world tour now.
Oh, then don't tell him I'm back yet. Otherwise, he might skip his concert and come straight back home. Let's just wait for him to come back.
All right.
Third brother is a controversial artist. If he skips the tour again, he'll lose fans even faster.
When third brother was little, he was best at cheering sis up. Now I'm the only servant. I can perform well.
Tell me, why did you sell the villa?
After you left, second uncle seized the company. He mismanaged it. When it was on the verge of bankruptcy, he came to me again and asked me to run the company. At that time, the company accounts didn't have much and owed a lot of debt. I had no choice.
Hey, don't worry about it. You've done a great job. Look, because this villa is also very big.
Get some rest, sister. If you need anything else, just ask Jamie. Tomorrow I'll have Jamie take you to get your ID card. This is my gold card. You can use it.
Wow, lots of money! My CEO brother is awesome! Oh, by the way, where's fourth brother? Huh?
Fourth brother, after you passed away, he went missing soon after. I didn't take good care of him.
It's okay. Because now that I'm back, I'm sure we can find him. Your sister's so capable. So don't worry about it, okay?
All right.
Although, I don't know where fourth brother is. In my dream, he hurt Gabriel's brother and put him in the hospital. He ended up being sent to prison for that. Starting with Gabriel's brother, we should be able to find him. I'm tired. I'll go upstairs and rest. Okay?
Look, Mr. Savior. That Sebastian is in another scandal. He's been acting weird and obsessed with women. Should we reduce our investment in Star Group, even just a little bit? This quarter's financial report shows Star Group's profits have dropped significantly. I don't know what Mr. Savior sees in Star Group. Ever since Sebastian took over, he's been continuously investing and helping him expand his business empire.
This time, who is this other person?
Well, nothing shows online. The paparazzi didn't get a clear shot of her face either. But looking at this picture, she seems to be a great beauty too.
It's her. It's her.
That's so impressive.
Check out the
How did you find the time? Mirabella, you're so amazing. You got first place again.
Go to Sebastian's villa.
Yes, sir.
This sucks. My insomnia is acting up again. This isn't my house, so I can't sleep at all. According to the plot in the novel... Who do you love more?
Come on.
Gabriel and Helen are now breaking up over a small disagreement. To spite Gabriel, Helen got close to my second brother and starred in the movie he invested in. After Gabriel found out about these things, he kept trying to get back together with Helen. But Helen is still playing hard to get. Today's trending topic was supposed to be about them. Why is it about me? Oh, forget it, never mind. Anyway, my second brother and I are just part of the male and female leads game. I better go out for some fresh air.
She's back. I'm not dreaming. Poor Bella. Is your insomnia acting up again? Dear Bella, I believe you'll come looking for me soon enough.
Sis? What happened to your eyes?
My insomnia is location specific. I can't sleep at all. Who was it that bought our old villa? Do you think we can ask the buyer to sell the old house back to us?
I'll go ask today.
Thank you so much, Jamie.
Jamie, do you know what was trending online yesterday?
Why? What happened online? I told Jamie not to worry about it.
Sis, you already know about me and Helen.
The internet has made so much progress. Do you think it's hard for me to find out? I scrolled through 10 videos. 7 of them are about you and Helen. The remaining 3 are about her and Gabriel.
Gabriel and Helen are just doing CP promotion. Gabriel forced her to do it. They're fake.
Is that what Helen told you? No wonder my silly brother is willing to be a fool. Is there a possibility that they dated before?
That's impossible. Sis, don't believe everything on the internet.
Mr. Sebastian, it's getting late. We still have to continue the meeting from yesterday.
Okay, Jamie, you stay home and take care of my sister. Sis, I'll go now.
Go ahead. Jamie, why don't you take me to his meeting? I'll just listen in the back. I won't do anything.
That's not appropriate.
Jamie, please.
Okay,
Do this for me.
I'll take you.
Let's go.
Moving forward, we must make adequate preparations. This project must succeed. We need to maximize our abilities to the fullest. Understood?
Here.
Our goal this year is to increase this year's performance by another 15%.
Not bad. My brother has really grown up.
Yesterday's meeting, I heard Mr. Sebastian left early. I wonder if he will leave early today.
It must be for Helen, because I heard he cleared out the entire Star Plaza just to take Helen out shopping.
Sebastian neglected his work? Just for Helen? Just wait until this meeting is over. I'll deal with you.
We're in a meeting. What is he doing?
Look, I think he received a message.
Is she going to call him away again?
I heard several senior executives are preparing to leave the company. He doesn't seem to be focused on work. Last quarter's financial report didn't look good.
As expected, the novel says Sebastian goes bankrupt. It's completely predictable.
No way. I can't let this snitch tell my sister again.
Luckily, Sebastian isn't totally hopeless.
Okay, let's continue. This month's data compared to last month. Helen has never video called me. This time it must be urgent. Hello, Helen, what's wrong?
Brother Sebastian, I got hit by a car. It hurts so much.
Where are you? Send me your location.
You can go now. Sebastian will be here soon. I'll just say that I was hit by a delivery guy. I felt sorry for him, so I let him go. This way, Sebastian will feel bad for me, and it also makes me look kind. 2 for the price of 1.
By the time Mr. Sebastian arrives, it should have healed. Before she played hard to get with Sebastian, now she's even started making up stories. But is there an expert advising Sebastian? Telling him how to play hard to get? To win Helen's heart?
I need to go. You guys carry on. Just give me the minutes of the meeting later.
Sebastian, stop right there! Sebastian, stop right there!
Who's that?
How dare she call the CEO by his name? She's going to get thrown out.
Oh, look at that. She ripped away the cultivated devotee's prayer
A
beads.
true queen, the alpha female.
He's been disrespected in front of all of his subordinates. Even if it were my sister, Mr. Sebastian will get angry.
That scared me. Good thing she didn't slap me in front of so many people.
Hopeless romantic, you get back to work!
But sister, Helen got hit by a car.
And what do you expect to do there? Are you a doctor?
Look, is this right? Who is this person?
Hello, everyone. My name is Mirabella. I'm your CEO's older sister. Some of the things he has been doing are not very wise, so please bear with him. I'm gonna give out 2 million as a bonus to everyone.
It's amazing. I love
If my brother acts up again, please feel free to call me anytime. I will come and deal with him.
The CEO's sister is awesome.
She doesn't look old enough to be his sister, but she acts like it.
Sebastian, what are you doing? You're older than your sister now. Why do you still need your sister to win people over for you?
As for the 2 million, it will come out of my brother's account. Because to be honest, I'm pretty broke. I always received complaints from upstairs saying, there's always clanging from downstairs.
It's Mirabella. Mirabella is back.
What does this mean? He said he will come here. Where is he? My wounds are about to dry up.
Mr. Sebastian isn't coming. This is his chance to show off, but he didn't come to help you.
I suspect he's got another woman.
Mr. Sebastian has another woman?
Sebastian said it was his sister in the picture. But I think it's more like a lover, so he lied to me.
Mr. Sebastian is so bad. Forget it then. Anyway, you got close to him just to piss off Gabriel. Now you've done that, so just move on.
What do you mean move on? I won't move on. Come on. Call a few paparazzi we know. How dare that slut try to steal my man?
What are you calling them for?
Sebastian is still in the office, which means that woman is also there. Let's go there. We'll definitely catch her. If she dares to seduce my man, then I'll make sure that she pays.
These senior shareholders watched our sister grow up. They must have a lot to say. Sister, why don't you catch up with these aunts and uncles? I'll continue the meeting.
Shall we?
All right. right, everyone, let's continue.
Aunt Wendy, Uncle Sean, Uncle Lee.
Mirabella, you still remember me.
Of course I do. Uncle Lee looks even more handsome now.
It's our Mirabella. You have a sharp eye.
Sebastian's recent actions have disappointed us greatly. The third child even went into entertainment, and the fourth one is missing. I had started to lose all hope for the future of the company, but I never thought Mirabella would come back.
Look at you. We haven't seen you for so long. You've lost weight.
Actually,
Miss, do you have anything to say about being the third party between Miss Helen and Mr. Sebastian? Miss, do you have anything to say about being the third party between Miss Helen and Mr. Sebastian?
How old are you? Didn't your parents teach you not to meddle in other people's relationships? And what is your relationship to Mr. Sebastian?
How did you get here? Get out, all of you!
What's wrong? Are you afraid of these reporters?
So this is the female lead from the book, Helen. Is the author blind to make this brain-dead fool the female lead? You said, I'm Sebastian's lover.
Don't play dumb. I advise you to be smart and leave Sebastian quickly. Or don't blame me for being rude.
So how are you planning to be rude to me? Huh?
There's so many reporters here. You don't want your dirty laundry exposed, do you? Or else you won't be able to stay in this city.
Auntie Wendy! Uncle, I'm so scared!
It's okay.
You're a mistress. Our sister Helen is here, and you're still so arrogant. That's right. Everyone knows how much Mr. Sebastian dotes on Miss Helen. If Mr. Sebastian finds out about these things, he will surely kick you out.
That's enough! Do you know who Mirabella is?
She's just a little mistress. You old geezer still dare to support her. Well, Brother Sebastian said that he's going to share his stocks with me. I'm the future Mrs. CEO of this company. I'll fire all of you when the time comes.
Mrs. CEO? Who, you? You're not qualified for that.
Whether I'm qualified or not, you're just a mistress. You better think about how you're going to stay here after you're exposed.
Listen, miss. I think there's been a misunderstanding. You've got it wrong. I am not Sebastian's mistress. I am his older sister. I am his older sister.
Older sister? You? Are you kidding? You look barely 20.
Exactly. Everyone knows. Mr. Sebastian's sister passed away 11 years ago. Film this little mistress's face. Film it all for me. This will definitely be trending.
All of you will regret what you did today.
In the novel, Helen, as the female lead, has an unshakable love for Gabriel. She shouldn't be acting like this. I'm curious about something. Don't you like Gabriel?
How does she know that? Don't talk nonsense. Mind your own business. Just keep your hands off Sebastian.
If I were you, you should apologize to Miss Helen right now. Otherwise, if Mr. Sebastian arrives, he will not save you.
What are you talking about? I don't even care.
Since you refuse to get on your knees, I wouldn't mind helping you.
Hey!
Don't touch her! You're a celebrity. How can you hit someone?
Aunt Wendy, are you okay?
So what if I hit her? Do they dare to film it?
She's got some nerve.
You dare to hit me?
So what? Do I need permission to hit someone like you?
I'll send a message now to Brother Sebastian. You're so dead.
Go ahead. Go and send him a message. Let's see who's dead after that.
You'll see. Brother Sebastian, this woman hit me. Get her out of here. I never want to see her again.
She offended Helen. This woman is dead.
I heard you were going to kick me out of the city.
Sister, I wouldn't dare. Sis, I'm scared.
Brother Sebastian, what kind of love potion did that woman give you? She barely looks 20 years old.
Wait, correction. I just turned 18 years old.
Didn't you hurt your leg? What are you doing here?
I just sent you so many messages you didn't reply. I was worried about you. So I thought I'd come to your company to find you. I just asked her where you were. And then she had the gall to hit me. My face hurts so much now, and my leg hurts too.
That's not true. You drew that bruise on your leg with makeup. It's not that serious at all.
We're not blind. We all saw it. You provoked Mirabella first. You forced her to apologize to you, and then she hit you. Don't try to frame Mirabella.
These old geezers, why are they so protective of that witch Mirabella? Brother Sebastian, since everyone is blaming me now, then I guess it's my fault.
It really was your fault.
What's going on? This isn't how I imagined it. Mirabella, are you okay? Did Helen do anything to you? Did Mr. Sebastian do anything?
Am I some kind of monster? I'm the victim here.
What did I do that would make everyone think I would harm my sister for an
The
outsider?
thing is, I just slapped Helen. My hand hurts a little.
That's good.
What do you mean that's good? Is it good that she hit me?
Mirabella hit you because there is a reason for it.
You're blaming the victim.
What? You're saying that we're blaming the victim?
Aren't you? You hit me, okay? You're all biased towards Mirabella. You're all ganging up on me. There are no security cameras in Sebastian's office. Let's see what you can come up with now.
Hey, those reporters were having a great time filming just now.
Those old geezers dared to stop me. So what if I hit her? Do they dare to film it? I wouldn't mind helping you out.
Look at you acting so innocent, speaking harshly without getting the full picture. Threatening and insulting? Mirabella is too nice. If it were me, you would have gotten more than a slap.
If I heard correctly, Mirabella said you like Gabriel. You didn't even deny it. Since the man you like is Gabriel, why are you even messing around with Sebastian?
If Helen's feelings for Gabriel are real, then what was I to her all this time?
No, it's not like that.
Tell me, if I post this video online, what do you think will happen?
That's a reporter's camera. You can't post it.
Are you really stupid or are you pretending? These reporters filmed this video. Do you think that they can just walk out of Star Group?
Please don't. I beg you.
Don't come closer.
I'll give you a chance to confess. Tell me yourself what your motive is with Sebastian.
Gabriel and I had an argument. He made no effort to fix things. I looked for Sebastian to stir rumors and piss him off.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? From now on, matters between you and Gabriel should be handled behind closed doors. Don't involve others in your mess.
I won't ever mess with Sebastian again. But... are you really his sister?
Seriously, goodness. This heartless person sees everything as dirty. But our Mirabella is not the same as you.
But Sebastian looks so anxious.
Get out now!
Let's go.
Remove her facial data from the system.
Right away.
Sebastian, next time, be more careful.
Yes, I know.
The company was heavily impacted. Don't think you can get away with this by playing the victim. Just because someone shows kindness and concern doesn't mean they really like you. She called you brother, Sebastian, and you went soft? Can you use your brain for once? If she was sincere, then why would she blow hot and cold? Can't you see she's been playing you? Use your brain.
Makes sense. She's still incredibly perceptive. The salary here was renegotiated. 5% increase, same position. If you four team up, the bonus will be higher. We're not leaving then. We'll definitely stay here.
Yes, because our Mirabella is back, we'll stay.
I'll reply. No need. Mirabella is back. We'll work at Star Group till we die.
Hey, I know I was wrong. Please show mercy and forgive me.
I'll think about it.
Mirabella. About the villa you asked about earlier, I found out it was Xavier, the CEO of SS Group, that bought that villa.
Xavier? Wasn't he my high school nemesis? Never mind. Let's go over there first. If I don't get some sleep, I'm gonna die.
Sis, I'll go with you.
How does this look?
It looks good. Oh, spare me. This is the 25th suit already. What's even the difference? And there's no important occasion tonight. What is the boss doing? He showered 5 times already.
I know. You can go home. You're dismissed.
Okay, Mr. Savior.
Sebastian's assistant is investigating who is currently living in this villa. Just as I suspected. Bella's insomnia means she has to be in this house to sleep. Bella might come to this villa today. This is the 32nd car that's passed by. Could this be Bella?
Sebastian, wasn't the light on in there? But no one seems to be home.
Hello, who are you looking for?
Hello. I'm Xavier's old classmate. I just need to see him. It's important.
Oh, all right. Please wait here. I'll let him know. Just wait here, please.
But... Xavier, how pretentious.
Every quarter, Star Group relies on SS Group's investment. I can't just say anything. Please come in. Sir, they're here.
Hello, old classmate. May I ask who you are?
Hello. I'm Arabella. You may not remember me, but you still remember the 2014 entrance test. I was the top scorer. You were second.
Sis, it's really you, sis? Now that you mention it, who could forget? This might be one of the few times Xavier has ever come in second. But now that you mention it, will he sell the villa?
I got this. Xavier?
Sis! Sis!
No, it's okay. I haven't slept all day and night, so I'm sleepy.
Oh, it's fine. Please, have a seat.
Okay.
Mr. Xavier, I'm so sorry. My sister has a severe sleep disorder. She didn't sleep all night. That was unintentional.
Come on, body, hang in there. Right. We came all the way here because of this.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Oh! Xavier, you haven't gotten rid of the sofa. It's very well maintained. I had it custom made from France for a fortune.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
The sofa is still usable.
Mm-hmm.
Do you mean this villa used to belong to your family, is that right?
That's right.
Yes,
It belonged to
that's
our
correct.
family. Xavier, look at the dark circles around my eyes. I could go to the zoo and be a panda. Why don't you just sell this villa back to our family?
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm not planning to sell this villa right now.
Mr. Xavier, we can negotiate. If we had any other options, we wouldn't come to bother you. Star Group is developing a high-end villa area. I can reserve the best spot for you.
That's right.
Bigger than this villa. What do you think?
The current market price for this villa is at most 200 million. This high-end villa developed by Star Group is worth at least 1 billion. Whoever disagrees is insane.
Listen, I'm used to living in this villa, so no.
Xavier. I was in a car accident years ago. I was driving when the brake suddenly went out, and as far as I know, I died. But then I woke up 11 years later, and here I am.
I really want to kiss her.
Huh? We're old classmates. I won't beat around the bush with you. I won't lie. I'll tell you the truth. Actually, I time traveled from 11 years ago. Do you believe me?
This girl is such a liar. Believing she time traveled is like believing I'm the first emperor. Only a fool would believe it.
I do.
Why isn't Xavier playing by the rules? Don't tell me he still remembers what happened in high school and is deliberately opposing me. Oh, gosh. I have such deep feelings for this sofa. So many memories. I remember lying on it and sleeping on it. Look, for the sake of us being old classmates, just sell this villa back to me. Come on, please.
I won't.
This guy is so stubborn. I have to use my last resort. Handsome Savior, Mr. Savior, Boss Savior, please!
No. If I agree, I won't have an excuse to see her anymore.
I'm doomed! What am I gonna do now?
Sis!
How about I just rent one room from you? Yeah, the room that I used to stay in. Okay?
So just one room?
All right. After all, my sister is begging Xavier. He seems unmoved. He probably doesn't like women.
Don't worry. I promise I won't disrupt your life. If one day you decide to bring your girlfriend home, you can just say that I'm your... let's just say that I'm your... You can tell her that I'm your... cleaning lady.
Disturbing my normal life is exactly what I want. Okay?
Okay. It's settled then. About the rent, you can talk to my brother. I'm going to bed now. You handle this.
Mr. Xavier, thanks for letting us rent the place. 100,000 a month okay with you?
Sebastian, right?
Yes.
Don't be so polite. A token is enough. You should focus on running your company. That's what matters most.
You're right about that.
Is there anything else? Because if not, please see yourself out.
There's one more thing I need you to be mindful of. My sister, before she time traveled, she and Gabriel were dating. Now she's suddenly back. She must still have feelings for Gabriel. So, when you're watching TV, please make sure she doesn't watch Gabriel's shows.
Okay, I know.
Oh my god. I slept until 4 in the afternoon? Oh no.
The clothes I bought got dropped off at the villa. If you need more, ask Jamie to buy them. Mr. Xavier is also my investor. He's a nice person. Plus, he has zero interest in women. No worries, he won't try anything with you.
Xavier likes men? Seriously? Tell me more.
Just some rumors and stuff I noticed last night. I can't be sure. Just saying it to put you at ease.
Stop speculating. You have no proof of what you're saying. Not cool.
Okay, my bad.
How about I ask him later?
Huh?
Xavier? Didn't you go to work today?
Got off work early today.
Oh. My brother sent me some clothes. Did you get it? I want to take a shower.
The housekeeper should have put them away in your closet.
That was really thoughtful of her. Anyway, do you like men or women?
Huh?
I didn't mean to offend you. I'm just curious, you know, so I'm mentally prepared. In case one day you bring a man home, I won't be shocked.
I like women.
You're into women? So why no girlfriend all this time? You're basically pushing 30-something years old.
Haven't met the right one.
Okay, I'll just go take a shower now. Second brother is taking me to dinner tonight. I'll be back later. Leave the door unlocked for me.
Hey, wait a sec.
Huh?
Give me your number. Hit me up when you get back.
Okay. Done. Bye-bye.
Sis, I asked Jamie to book your favorite restaurant.
Great.
Isn't that Gabriel? I won't let him get to Mirabella.
Gosh, after 11 years, Gabriel has changed a lot. So greasy. Ew, why did I even agree to date him? I got zero romance out of it. It feels like I got a criminal record.
Sis, the table's set. Let's go.
Oh.
Just seeing his photo makes her this upset. She clearly still has feelings for Gabriel. Sis, did you ask Mr. Xavier about his sexuality?
Yeah, I did. He likes women.
Women?
Mm-hmm.
Every socialite in Jing City's elite circles. Tons of women have chased after him. He never budged.
Well, that's because he hasn't met the right one.
That's true. For a big shot like him, his standards must be sky high. Sis, what do you think of him?
What do you mean? You want me to pursue that guy? You must be crazy.
Xavier is at least better than Gabriel. The best way to forget a relationship is to start a new beginning. Sis, not to pursue, but look at all his good qualities.
No time. I still have a lot to do. Gotta find fourth brother. And then go to college.
Go to college?
Yeah.
But it's been 11 years. Your entrance exam scores don't count anymore.
And the exam format has changed a lot. Mirabella, are you sure you want to retake the exam?
Yeah, of course. I still want to pursue my plans. But I really need to trouble you to get my study materials.
Okay.
Sis, which high school you aiming for? I'll arrange it.
Gabriel's brother is at the #1 high school, but that doesn't mean fourth brother is also there. School bullies fight not just at their own school, but the only way to know is by going there. I'll let you know. Hey, Jamie, will you come to the #1 high school with me?
No problem.
Sis, think about what I said. You can try to discover Xavier's good qualities.
Jing Circle Buddha. You talk too much. Ooh. I never expected my high school to change so much in the past 3 years.
These buildings were all donated by Mr. Savior. Each building has the SS Group logo on it.
He donated them under his company's name? I didn't expect him to be so attached to the school.
Back then, you two were both famous as the campus king and queen. I can't believe that the rivals from back then now live in the same villa.
Jamie, you know a lot about me and Xavier.
Of course. You two were legends back then.
Well, he's obviously still famous. I'm not. But I believe I will someday make a comeback. Mirabella, go for it.
Whether Mr. Savior still sees you as his rival, I don't know. But to me, you clearly still do.
Definitely. He was the only one in high school I considered a rival. Before he transferred to #1 high school, I was the undisputed #1 in the school. How could he not be my rival? Even though there's a big gap between us now. You know what? Everyone needs to dream.
You're the only girl to top science in Jing City in the last 2 decades. Mirabella, I believe in you.
By the way, Jamie, do you know which class Xander, Gabriel's brother, is in?
He's in class 1, a top student with excellent grades. He's always in the top 3.
Let's go. I want to take a look. Hello there. Is Xander here? I need to talk to him.
Another girl from another school confessing to Xander? This girl is so pretty. How does Xander deserve this beauty?
Xander, a girl is here for you.
Tell her to leave. I'm busy.
Miss, don't be mad. He's always like this. I'll drag him out.
It's okay. I'll go in. Jamie, can you wait for me here? Hey.
What's up? This girl looks familiar.
I want to ask you, has any troublemaker picked fights with you lately? From this school or somewhere else?
No.
Think carefully.
I know why you look familiar. You look like the girl that my brother dated back in high school.
That's not what I asked you.
I get along with everyone. No one is beefing with me.
Isn't it time yet for something to happen between my 4th brother and Xander? Fine. Let's do this. Let's exchange numbers. If anyone gives you any trouble, message me.
Sure.
Come on, Jamie, let's go.
Wait, miss, which school are you from? Can I have your number? I'm Brian, by the way.
Now, since when do Sims operate this openly? Where's your morality? Where's your dignity? And I'm dying to know her number too.
What for?
I can keep an eye on Xander for you, see if he has any conflicts with anyone.
Sure.
Is Mirabella really still hung up on Gabriel? Like Sebastian said, she's trying to use Xander to get close to him.
Come on.
Hey, do you still want to walk around campus?
No, we should head back.
Hello, I'm Brian. What's your name?
Please keep an eye on Xander for me. Especially with anyone who clashes with him. Also, does your school have any notorious senior year bullies? If so, show me their pictures.
OMG, such a generous beauty! From now on, I'm your most loyal servant. Mission accomplished.
Thanks.
This old servant lives to serve.
The bell rang. You should pay attention in class.
The young mistress says to focus. Then focus I shall.
That's a wrap for today's shoot. Good work, everyone.
Gabriel, today's shoot went smoothly. Let's collaborate again.
Helen hasn't been replying to my messages. She's taking it too far with this tantrum. I got money, power, and a huge fan base. Tons of women are interested in me. She shouldn't make me wait like this.
Bro, this looks like your old girlfriend from high school.
Who? Mirabella? Helen and I had a fight because of Mirabella. My ex has been dead for over 10 years. Why is she still jealous? Girls are so exhausting. She's been dead for over a decade. You were only 5 or 6 when I was in high school. How do you remember? You must be mistaken. What a pity. A pretty girl like Mirabella died so young. I put so much effort into pursuing her and planning a confession. Yet I never even held her hand before she died.
For so many years after she died, your phone's lock screen was her picture. I always borrowed your phone to play games. It was even tough to forget.
Was I really that sentimental?
Though it didn't stop you from flirting with other girls.
Get lost. That last part was unnecessary.
But this girl had a unique way of hitting on me. She's not even from our school. My charm is irresistible.
Shut up. No dating in high school. Focus on your studies. Mirabella was so proud deep down. She would never initiate a conversation with a guy.
I got home late. I wonder if Xavier is already asleep. How do you know my nickname?
Well, is your nickname also Bella?
Yeah. Weren't you talking to me?
I see. I'm in a video call. My subordinate's daughter, well, you see, her name is Bella. I was saying hi to her.
Oh, okay. It's so late. You're still working? Model worker Xavier? Come open the door.
Sure. Coming.
Xavier, I want to apologize. I got home really late.
It's fine. I was up anyway. Come in.
You know what? You're kind of cute up close.
Sis, not to pursue, but look at all his good qualities.
Xavier's good qualities, huh? He's pretty hot.
Well, you're pretty too.
Of course! I'm only 18 right now. I'm just getting started. I'm gonna glow up. I'm starving. Where are Uncle Butler and the others?
The staff get off work at 8 p.m.
Looks like no late night snack again tonight. I'll just go back
Hey,
to sleep.
Wait, what do you want to eat?
Cheesy turkey noodles! I'm only 18, you know. I'm still growing. It's normal to get hungry often. Isn't that right?
Of course, it's normal. Me too. I skipped dinner when I was working overtime this afternoon.
You see? You should thank me.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me the chance to spend time with you like this.
I'll eat whatever you're eating.
Perfect. I want some turkey noodles too.
You have excellent taste. Go make it.
Copy that, young mistress.
Wait, do you want me to help with the preparation?
No need. It's simple. Done in minutes.
Got it.
Hey.
Huh?
Sit here.
Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Welcome to the spicy challenge.
Here. You are the champion. Have some water.
Thank you.
So, by the way, are you planning to continue with school and study, or?
I plan to do 1 year of high school and retake the exams for QH Uni.
These are the troublemakers at number 1 high. I got pictures of all of them.
None of them are my fourth brother. Maybe he's not at number 1 high. Thank you. It's getting late. Good night.
I'm doing a test paper.
Huh? You should go to bed early. None of these answers are right.
Seriously? Let me check. No way. Not a single one right. Wow, you're smart. Where do you study?
You shouldn't poke your nose into grown-up people's business.
Sorry. Who are you talking to?
A guy from number 1 high.
Bella. You still like Gabriel. To get close to him, you even approached his younger brother Xander. But what can I do? Kill him? Bella would be sad too. Fortunately, Gabriel hasn't met Bella yet. If only they could never meet.
I'm so full. Mr. Savior? Listen to me, thank you for being there. You make all seasons warm.
All right. Go upstairs and rest if you're full.
I've discovered another good thing about Savior. Amazing cooking skills. Got it. Good night. Mr. Savior, having such nourishing food this early?
Oh, the butler made chicken soup yesterday. I just added some noodles.
Oh, I see. Then I wonder if your tenant, Miss Mirabella, has the privilege of getting a bowl of chicken noodles.
Of
Mm.
course.
I didn't make chicken soup yesterday. Mr. Xavier got up at 5 a.m. to make that. Making chicken soup at 5 a.m. is unheard of. Now I get it. Mr. Xavier likes this girl.
Why does this taste like the chicken noodle soup Gabriel used to bring me in high school? I can't be wrong. That rich kid Gabriel definitely didn't cook this. It was probably made by his chef. All right. Where's your chef?
Oh, he's unavailable today. He took a leave.
Unavailable? Clearly you forced me to give him the morning off. He was crying and asking if he was going to get fired.
Mr. Xavier, your cooking is awesome. I'm full. I'll go upstairs and rest.
Go ahead. Sir, why didn't you tell her that you made the soup yourself? She doesn't like me. Unexpectedly, at such a virile age, you would choose to pursue innocent love. So pitiful. Shut up. But I'm also pitiful. I didn't even have the chance to say, you're the first woman that Sir has personally cooked for. Cleaned up.
Mirabella, these are the exam review material you asked me to buy. Thank you, Jamie. 11 years have passed. The exam format must have changed a lot. I have to study hard and get the top score.
Sis, I heard from Jamie that you don't let her bring you breakfast. It's not good to skip breakfast.
Who told you I don't eat breakfast? Now I freeload meals every day. Let me tell you, Xavier's cooking is so delicious. Why suffer? I won't let my stomach suffer.
I never knew he was not only great at making money, but also at cooking. What a perfect man.
Sebastian. Are you falling for him? He likes women, you know that.
Sis, don't talk nonsense. We're leaving now. Study hard.
Good luck.
The school basketball team can easily have conflicts. I have to go check it out.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
It's not your fault. I wasn't paying attention to your fork when I grabbed the fruit.
How can it not be my fault? It's my problem. You're too nice. Won't you get bullied outside?
She held my hand. So happy. She finally turned her attention to me. So happy. Right? Outside, no one dares to bully me.
This fork should be stainless steel. Won't get tetanus, right? Should we call your private doctor to take a look?
It's not a big deal. No need for a doctor.
Really? But it looks pretty bad.
How about you help me disinfect it with iodine?
Where's the iodine? I'll get it. Wait, a 29-year-old man, blushing from holding hands. Such a pure man.
It's in that drawer over there.
Does it hurt? I'll be gentle.
It doesn't hurt.
Are we being kind of flirty now? Well, your hand. Can't get wet. Be careful of infection.
I know. Sis, I'm off today. Want to go somewhere?
Let's go shopping. I want to buy a gift for Xavier.
For whom? Are you falling for him?
You think I'm love-struck like you. Yesterday I accidentally hurt him.
What? Didn't he get mad at you?
Not really. He has a good temper. But I think it's my fault after all. I should apologize to him.
That's good. How did you do it?
While we were having fruit together yesterday, I accidentally poked his hand.
I thought you stayed in your room after returning to the villa while he worked in the study. I didn't expect you two to be sitting together.
When someone's home, they just want to get comfy. The sofa I bought is so comfortable. He's not stupid.
True. Fourth brother used to love sleeping on that sofa.
Let's go. Tomorrow we'll watch the basketball game at school. Hopefully we'll run into fourth brother. Mr. Sebastian, you and Mirabella are trending.
Sis. Paparazzi caught us shopping. Now it's trending. Third brother just called asking why. I got a girlfriend like you. He said I have a sister complex.
That brat can't even recognize his own sister, right? Just wait till I deal with him. Right? Get someone to remove the trending topic.
Okay.
Take down the hashtag.
Done.
It is so efficient today.
Mr. Xavier, the trending topic has been removed.
I know. How long was this? Topic trending online.
About half an hour. I really don't understand. Is he trying to be Sebastian's mother? Not only constantly investing in him, but also taking down trending searches for him. Might as well transfer all assets to his name.
Half an hour. Would Gabriel see it? Last time's blurry side profile he might not have recognized, but this clear front view, unless he has amnesia, he'll definitely recognize her. Once he recognizes her, he'll surely come find her. Definitely. Notify the Jing City's paparazzi. The girl next to Sebastian. Can't be photographed.
Okay. The girl next to Sebastian. Not Sebastian himself.
Wasn't I clear enough? Except for this girl, I don't care about the others.
Okay. I understand, sir. Am I hearing correctly? Took down the trending topic for Sebastian's girlfriend. The sky is falling. The billionaire tycoon's going soft.
This is for you.
Huh?
A gift for you. I hurt you that day. This is my apology.
She actually gave me a gift.
Mr. Xavier, this is her thoughtful gift. She knows you lack nothing, so she chose carefully. It's a small trinket. Hope you like it.
A carefully chosen gift. I like it.
I knew he'd like it.
Glad you like it. Let me take her things inside.
Just give them to me.
Okay, then I'll be going.
Be safe.
That's my sister. Whoever it is, behind her, looks like a bag carrier. It was originally my job. But sooner or later she will fall in love. And her boyfriend will carry her bags. No way. I need to be her servant. As much as possible before then. Whenever sister shops, she buys something, for all three of us. When fourth brother's gift will finally reach his hands. This belt isn't really my style, but it's from sister. I'll wear it tomorrow. Is here okay?
Of course. Open it and see.
Huh?
Well, do you like it? Bamboo has a good meaning, rising steadily.
Thank you. I like it. Very much. I love it.
Glad you like it. I don't know what you like, but I like gold, so I got you a gold bracelet.
It looks good. Well, nothing else. I'll be going then.
Okay.
Now that I've received her gift, I can justifiably give a gift in return. She will definitely accept it. Great.
Gabriel!
Thanks, babe, for waiting for me. After our long silent war, you still came back to me.
Gabriel, there are people in the car. Now you treat us like people.
Let's go back to the hotel, Gabriel. There are too many people outside. This isn't proper.
More people means more excitement. Besides, these days I've stayed faithful to you. Don't you want to experience that?
He really loves me. Unlike that awful Sebastian. That so-called sister dared to insult me. I will definitely get my revenge. Really, I don't believe it.
When you're begging me to stop, you'll believe it.
The car's not ideal, but you were amazing.
I've been too tired lately. After I recover, I'll properly handle you. Bro, look, doesn't this girl look like your high school girlfriend? Mirabella! It's her. Where did you find this photo? I didn't find this photo. This is from today's trending topics on social media, paparazzi quarter, shopping with a CEO. How is that possible? Mirabella has been dead for over a decade, but this photo, the person in the photo, must be Mirabella. This can't be taken today. The paparazzi must have photoshopped it. Who told you to open it? I'm sorry. I have a basketball game tomorrow. She'll definitely come to watch. If you don't believe me, come and see her yourself.
What did you make today?
Beef noodles? It's ready? Go wait for me at the table.
My little brother used to love eating beef noodles every time he would snatch it from me. I wonder how he's been doing these past few years. I hope I can find him soon.
Isn't it good?
It is so good I wouldn't stop even if you slapped me.
Then you're really living life.
You must spend a lot of time on social media, right? Well, today I'm going to school to watch a basketball game. Do you remember back in high school we also had a basketball game?
I remember.
I remember you. Signed up for it too. When you signed up for the basketball game, I was a little bit happy.
Really?
Yeah. Because you were preparing for the game, so you had less time to study. It was my perfect opportunity to work hard. But on the court, I didn't see you. I only saw Gabriel and the others. Why didn't you participate?
I was afraid you'd overtake me.
I knew it. Rivals truly are rivals. We think alike. I'm full. I'll go first.
Let's go together. I'm off today anyway, and it's been a while since I visited there.
Okay.
I'll go change then.
All right.
Check Gabriel's schedule for today.
Medic.
What are you waiting for? Let's go.
Okay.
Mr. Xavier, today you can pass as a high school senior.
As long as no one mistakes me for your parent.
You know, seriously.
Have you changed this Band-Aid?
No. I have Band-Aids in my car. I'll change it myself later.
Where? I'll change it for you. It's no trouble.
Bella, you're holding my hand again.
Do you have a trash bag in the car?
Oh, give it to me. I'll throw it away when we get out. There are drinks and fruit salad in the back seat. You can have some.
Xavier! You really know how to live.
Mr. Xavier, Gabriel flew back to Jing City this morning. He's already on his way. He's almost at the school.
If Bella runs into him, would she even glance at me? Definitely not. Why did she like Gabriel so much? She even lowered herself to get close to Xander.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Let's go inside.
Sorry, but unauthorized vehicles aren't allowed inside the school. Mr. Xavier, long time no see. I'll raise the barrier right away.
Sir, long time no see.
Mr. Xavier, is this your girlfriend?
This is the first time I've seen Mr. Xavier bring a girl back to his alma mater. Right.
I'm not his girlfriend.
We'll go.
This girl looks so familiar. Is she a celebrity? Oh my god, don't tell me I've got early onset dementia.
He is still working as a security guard at the school.
Yep. Back then, he was the one who exposed the principal's affair.
Oh my god, he is still the legend. Forever young, forever positive. Your car has everything. Like a Doraemon car.
The housekeeper prepared it.
He is quite thoughtful. Let's go. There are quite a lot of people here to watch the game today.
Okay. I can finally stand beside Bella openly, even though this opportunity was despicably stolen by me.
Bro, you actually came. No filming today. I have to make sure. If that person is really Mirabella, I must. Sorry. My dad's in the hospital. He's about to give birth. No. My dad's in the hospital. Something came up. I'm in a hurry to see him. I accidentally hit you while changing lanes. Are you okay?
It's not a big deal. You can go through insurance. I have something urgent to attend to.
No. Look, your nose is bleeding. How about I take you to the hospital to get it checked out?
It's fine. It's nothing.
No way. Are you Gabriel the movie star?
This looks like Gabriel. Quick, take a picture. What's he doing here?
I'm your fan!
Hey, Mr. Gabriel. I want a picture with you, Mr. Gabriel.
Me too. My daughter loves you. Let me take a photo too.
I love watching the movies you're in, Wounded. You appeared fully nude in it. Your dedication to art. I admire it very much. Can you let go of me first? Sorry. Please don't block the traffic. Mr. Gabriel, how about I take you to the hospital to get checked out? Otherwise, you can only stay here taking pictures. Let's leave here first. Okay, I'll go to the hospital with you for a checkup.
Mr. Gabriel, don't go! Don't go!
There's been an accident on the road. I won't be able to get there for a while. If you see Mirabella, keep her there. This girl just looks like your high school girlfriend. She's not her. You said it yourself. Your girlfriend died over a decade ago. Just come over here. Why does he care so much about that girl? She likes me. After all, she asks me every day if anyone's bullying me. Captain, how are we doing? Today we're playing against number 3 middle school. They're the most chaotic, and have the worst grades in all of Jing City. Beating them will be a piece of cake. They're just a bunch of losers. Here! These 2 seats are carefully chosen by me. Best view.
Thanks.
It's Albert! Since Albert is in Jing City, he must know his second brother is now the CEO of Star Group. Then why doesn't he go home? Did he lose his memory and the chubby little boy from childhood? How did he get so thin? And why does his personality seem so gloomy? What has he been through?
Is she sad because she didn't see Gabriel? Should I not have stopped Gabriel from coming over? Bella is so good to me. What right do I have to stop her from seeing the person she likes? Oh, I'm so despicable. Bella. I have some things to deal with at my company. I have to go back and handle them.
Okay, be careful on your way.
All physical indicators are normal. The nosebleeds have stopped. There's nothing wrong.
Are you sure, Doctor? Please check again. This person really wants something to be wrong with me.
If I have to say something, he has a hemorrhoid.
Remove it and be hospitalized today. Remove it. Are you crazy?
If Mr. Xavier hadn't asked me to keep you here, I wouldn't.
Don't mind him.
I was kidding. You're taking it seriously. Since everything's fine, then I'll be going. Crazy. Is the basketball game over? Oh, sorry. Outsiders need to register to enter. It's me. Gabriel, the big movie star. You also need to sign in to enter.
You all know me. Why do I still need to register? Oh, I'm in a hurry to get in.
Oh no, I'm responsible if something happens. It's weird today. You're here. Mr. Xavier is also here. What, Xavier is here too? Don't cause any trouble when you go in. Otherwise, I'll stop you next time. Xander might be mistaken. The photo could also be photoshopped. But Xavier is here. That means that person is most likely Mirabella. Eh? The girl next to Mr. Xavier is Mirabella. I must be seeing things. Probably a hallucination before getting paid.
Dude, that shot just now was amazing. You're a basketball star.
Albert!
Albert. It's been a while since anyone called me that name. Was I recognized by a former kindergarten classmate?
Hey, dude, there seems to be a beautiful girl behind you. She seems to be calling you.
She's not calling me.
Albert, I'm calling you. Are you deaf?
How dare you call our dude's name?
Such a familiar voice.
Mirabella.
Good thing your eyes still work. You can still recognize your sister.
Didn't she die 11 years ago? Could it be her soul has been at #1 high school? Sis, you're such a studyholic. Even as a ghost, you're still studying here. Sis, the sun is so bright outside. How dare you show yourself?
What nonsense! I'm a living person! Why would I be afraid of the sun?
Does it hurt?
It hurts like hell!
This yellow-haired guy is one of the school bullies, lackeys. He must have run a red light on a grandpa's back in his past life.
If you want to hit yourself, go ahead. Why are you hitting him?
Oh my, an angel is just different. Angel, I just lied. I'm not in any.
Sis, you're really alive. But how is that possible?
This isn't the place to talk. My treat. Let's get bubble tea.
Mr. Gabriel is coming! Mr. Gabriel is coming!
What? Hello there. Is the game over?
Yes.
It's all because of that man. He insisted on taking me to the hospital, and I missed the game. Wait a minute. How did I just happen to get hit? And that person just happened to be my fan, and that person just happened to be very responsible, but then he left for no reason. Didn't even offer me a ride. Could this be Xavier's doing? Xavier! I'm warning you. Stay away from Mirabella, a lowly man like you. Even looking at her is a desecration. Break his legs. Don't let me see you on the court. I treated him like that back then. After he became famous, he didn't take revenge on me. I thought he had really let go of his hatred. I didn't expect him to pretend so well. When it comes to Mirabella, he's still that shameless and unprincipled man.
Are you Gabriel? I'm your fan. Can I have your autograph?
No, I'm not him.
Let's take a picture, Gabriel. Let's take a picture.
Gabriel! Can I have your autograph? Don't film me, don't film. It's you!
Don't film me, don't film me.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
It really is Gabriel.
What are you doing?
Oh, let's go. The director is coming. Go.
I'm sorry. My brother had a basketball game today. I wanted to surprise him. I didn't expect this to happen. I understand. I'm late. I didn't see my brother's performance. Is there a video recording of the game? Yes, but no one middle school lost today. They didn't play well. Can you take me to see it? This way. It's really her.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Well, to avoid Gabriel, of course.
I don't want to run into him, be a part of the main character's play. I thought there's money on the floor. I must be seeing things.
Mr. Gabriel is Gabriel. If I remember correctly, Sister dated him.
Let's go.
Sister, where have you been living all these years? How have you been?
I time-traveled here from 11 years ago, directly. So in that case, I'm only 1 year older than you. You're 17 now and I'm 18.
It's good that you're okay, Mirabella.
It's been over a week since I time-traveled here. I found your second brother first, and then I heard about you. I've been looking for you. You were quite hard to find, weren't you? Luckily, I'm smart, and I finally caught you.
That's good. It's a good thing she found my brother first. If she had found me first, she wouldn't have been able to eat properly.
Now tell me what's been happening these past few years.
These years I've been doing pretty well, Mirabella.
Look closely. In the blink of an eye, you've become a handsome young man. How about this? I'll have Sebastian take us out to dinner tonight. He's been looking for you, too. If he knew we found you, he'd be so happy.
Oh, okay. I'm going to use the restroom. Wait for me.
Okay, go ahead. Found fourth brother. Come pick me and fourth brother. Up for dinner after work.
That's my sister. I've been looking for fourth brother for 10 years, and she found him in just a few days.
Hey, sis, where are you? I'll come pick you up now.
No rush. Just focus on your work. I'll take him around for a bit. And you can pick us up after work. We can all have dinner together then. He's not going anywhere.
Okay, I'll come over after work then.
Oh no, Albert really ran away.
That's Mirabella. 100%. Gabriel, where are you right now? Where are you? Did you keep Mirabella there? I told you that wasn't Mirabella, no. You useless thing, come to the Academic Affairs office. Did you get Mirabella's contact information? I told you that wasn't Mirabella. Why do you need her contact information? Huh? Gabriel, don't go too far. This is Mirabella. Don't flatter yourself. Mirabella is looking for you. She definitely wants to get my attention through you. After all, I'm a big star now. She feels inferior. You're the one flattering yourself. Bro, calm down. Your first love is dead. It's been so long. Besides, you don't lack women. Why are you so obsessed with this girl?
You're the one who needs to calm down. Delete her. Listen, don't contact her again. Mirabella must still be in love with me. Otherwise, there's no reason for her to suddenly approach my brother, Xander.
Why is he taking so long? Albert isn't back yet.
Miss, this is from the guy who came in with you. He asked me to give it to you.
Sister, I'm so glad you're back. I've dreamt of this so many times. Now my dream has come true. I'm content now. Please don't look for me. I'm happy on my own. Forget me, sister.
What's wrong with this kid? He clearly has feelings for me. Why doesn't he want to come home with me? Is it because of Sebastian? Oh no, my fourth brother really ran away.
Why did he run away?
I don't know why he ran away. He was fine just now. I told him we would go to dinner together tonight, and then he left.
Were you mean to him?
No! I swear I've been good to both. My third and fourth brother. I learned from you how to take care of them. Does he resent me for losing him back then? What if I hadn't gone to buy drinks? Or hadn't taken them to the park? Albert wouldn't have gotten lost.
Come on. It wasn't your fault. I don't think Albert is the type to blame others. And you've been looking for him all these years, right? He's in Jing City. It would be easy for him to come home. There must be another reason.
So he's in Jing City, but he doesn't want to come home. How is he doing now? Is he okay?
He's studying at number 3 high school. As for the details, I haven't had time to ask yet. Let's go. Come with me to number 3 high school. I'll find someone to ask about his situation.
Sis, what you have found out?
Albert is kind of the boss of this school. He knocked out 2 of the principal's teeth before. Then he became famous.
What did the principal do wrong? He wouldn't beat anyone with no reason. He was not expelled. There must be a reason.
I don't know what the principal did, but I know he was not expelled because his mom made a scene here.
It's a good thing he didn't grow up in an orphanage. He has family. What happened?
His mother pooped in the principal's office and said if he's expelled, she'll do it every day. It means his mom is not a normal person. There are rumors at school that his mother has mental health issues.
So Albert doesn't want to come back, because he's afraid his adoptive mother will be a burden on us.
Probably. This kid is silly. Our family is well off. We can afford to support him and his adoptive mother.
I'll find more clues. Once we find his address, we'll go visit him.
Okay.
Hungry. Have some noodles first.
These noodles are so-so. Not as good as Xavier's.
They're all right. Pretty good.
That's because you haven't tasted his. His cooking is simply amazing.
Is that something I can have whenever I want? Oh no. Her palate has been spoiled by Mr. Xavier. So even if her insomnia is cured, when she move out of his villa, she won't be used to other food. I've got an idea, sis. Ask Mr. Xavier when he's free. I'll go and learn from him. I guarantee you'll get any flavor you want whenever you want.
Okay, I'll ask him tonight then. You're so thoughtful, this yolk is yours.
You just don't like yolks. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Sebastian. Albert is a bad student at number 3 high school. A real headache for the teachers. And he has a mentally ill mother.
Did you find his location?
Yes, I did. He's in the worst slum in Jing City, also known as the ghetto. I suggest you don't go at night. Go during the day.
I think Jamie has a point. Now that we've found Albert, another day won't hurt. Let's go. Take me home first.
I'm sorry, the number you've dialed is unavailable.
Sorry, the number you've dialed is unavailable.
Where's Xavier? Why isn't he answering his phone?
Mr. Xavier might be in a meeting. His phone's probably on silent.
Right, I forgot he's a busy man. I was supposed to watch a ball game with him at number 1 high school today, but not long after we started, he had to leave for work.
Bella saw Gabriel. She probably won't even look at me again.
I'm home. Open the door.
My Bella came to me. She came to me.
I should have gotten a key. It's such a bother to have someone open the door for me every day. I didn't think of this. Forget it, let's go.
I'm here. I'm so sorry I'm late.
Mr. Xavier not only rushed over, but also apologized right away. Is this still the same gentle, calm, and untouchable Xavier? This feeling of being afraid of keeping someone waiting. Could it be that Mr. Xavier likes my sister?
You're home.
Even though Bella went to see the person she likes, she still came back to my place. That's enough. I'm home.
Well, I guess I'll just get a key myself, so I don't have to bother you to open the door for me every day.
It's no trouble at all. I wonder if Mirabella and Gabriel have made up now. Will she be coming home late from now on? Well, I've been busy with work lately. If you come home late, I'll definitely be working overtime. Bella, I can wait for you. As long as I can wait, I'll wait forever and ever.
Is this what they call a big shot's powerful controlling desire?
Mr. Xavier, you should still get my sister a key.
Oh, yeah.
You're busy with work. What if you're on a business trip?
When I'm on a business trip, I'll naturally inform your sister in advance. I'll leave you a key.
If there's only one key, Bella and I can at least see each other every day, openly and honestly, and walk together for a bit.
You guys rest. I'll be going now. Mr. Xavier might like Mirabella. I wonder how she feels about Mr. Xavier. Sebastian, where's your sister? I've sent Mirabella so many friend requests. Why hasn't she accepted yet? Don't tell me her phone is being controlled by that asshole Xavier.
Gabriel, what was so urgent this morning that you had to leave in such a hurry?
It's about my brother. Could it be that Mirabella is angry because of the rumors about me and Helen? But she's been dead for so many years. Can I really stay single for her forever? Are you still in contact with Sebastian?
No, not anymore. I don't like him. He's the one who insisted on investing in my movie. My agent accepted it, so there's nothing I can do. You're the only one in my heart. I mean it.
Do you have his contact information?
You'd better not call him. He's a CEO. We can't afford to offend him.
What big CEO? In front of the Goo family, he's nothing.
Just forget it. Even if you call him, he won't admit to pestering me. He can't do anything to you, but he has plenty of ways to deal with a small-time actor like me.
What small-time actor? You're my woman, not a small-time actor. Give me his number. I know what I'm doing.
Gabriel is standing up for me. Sebastian, you're done. Okay then.
I'll give him a call then. You go take a shower.
All right, don't be too harsh. I'm going upstairs.
Sebastian, where's your sister?
Where's your sister? Who are you?
Gabriel.
Sebastian, where is your sister? Let her answer the phone.
Gabriel, I don't know you.
Just a movie star, so arrogant. Look at Mr. Xavier. He's the one who's truly powerful and influential, and he's not this arrogant. Stay away from my sister, and don't bother her, or don't blame me for being rude. Been a CEO for a few years, and learned how to threaten people. I won't stoop to your level. I'll ask you one more time. Where is your sister?
That's none of your business.
Is your sister with Xavier?
Gabriel wouldn't dare to go bother Mr. Xavier, would he?
Yes, they're living together. Impossible. Your sister said she only likes me. She can't be with Xavier.
Maybe check your reflection in a spoon.
I don't believe your lies. How did Mirabella reappear? She's been dead for 10 years. Why hasn't she changed at all? Could it be that Mirabella time-traveled from the car accident 11 years ago? If that's the case, Mirabella wouldn't like Xavier. No way. I have to go find Mirabella.
Is the takeout here? You made this? You can even make spicy hot pot.
It's easy. There are tutorials online.
A true straight-A student. You learn everything so fast. Wow, your future wife will definitely gain happy weight.
I haven't seen you gain any weight.
I'm not your wife. Besides, I've only been staying here for a few days. Your wife will live with you for the rest of her life.
Then try staying for a few more days.
You're using me as a guinea pig, aren't you?
Hello, is this Mr. Xavier? I'm a staff member from the livestock farm. I'm calling for no other reason. I just want to tell you that you're the goat.
This is nothing. Mirabella, your standards can't be this low.
It's me who always praises Xavier's cooking skills, so he thinks I'm just flattering him. Then he's being too modest. I'm not. My standards are always high.
They could be even higher. I'm not talking about food. Especially when it comes to men.
Xavier, I think you're really getting old. You're starting to sound like a dad.
Do I? Does Bella think I'm old?
I just mean, your cooking is really good, even if you don't think so. I do. Oh, right. My second brother wants to learn how to cook from you. When are you free to teach him?
I'm busy.
Fine. Then let me know when you're free and tell me.
Okay.
Mirabella, telecom scams are rampant recently. Don't answer calls from strangers. An employee at the company today answered a call from a stranger and got 100,000 stolen from their card. Be careful.
What? Are scam techniques that advanced now? Trying to scam me out of my money? Absolutely no way.
Can we meet up? I know you want to see me too.
In your dreams. Where does he get his confidence? Even asking for meeting up.
Mirabella, your standards can't be this low.
What was I thinking saying yes to Gabriel? Now all I see is a totally mediocre guy. I have to raise my standards on my next boyfriend. Okay, leave my fourth brother to me. Just worry. Oh no, just relax.
Jamie, did you find my fourth brother?
I went to that slum where he used to live, but I was a step too late. When I got there, he had already moved out with his mother.
Why did they move?
It's said that last night a man went there and caused trouble. He beat his mother half to death. Even your fourth brother was injured.
A man? Why is there a man involved?
Was it Albert's father?
I'm not sure about that. The slum is very big. I couldn't find him no matter how hard I looked.
Xavier has a charity foundation in that slum. He seems to have come from there too. I wonder if he can help in some way. Then I'll go and see what I can do.
Let's go get something to eat first.
Mirabella!
Gabriel. Long time no see. How are you?
Mirabella. Long time no see. Isn't a hug natural? Why are you dodging?
What do you mean dodging? Getting handsy right off the bat.
Mind your own business. She's my girlfriend.
Really? Of course not. I knew it. How could you have such an old boyfriend?
What do you mean old? I'm only 29.
29 is practically 30. Almost 40, nearly 50. How is that not old?
I know you're angry. But I can explain.
I don't have time to play games with you. Goodbye.
Mirabella! I know you've time traveled.
No, what?
Mirabella. What I mean is, we haven't broken up yet.
Then let's break up.
Mirabella, what do you mean? You know, I haven't filmed for 2 days. I've been looking for you.
Hey! You're not filming as you lack of responsibility and professional ethics. It has nothing to do with me. Let's go!
Shouldn't Mirabella be holding me and crying her eyes out? Why?
I can't believe Gabriel is such a jerk. I'm never watching his movies again.
Jamie, I've clearly stated that we're breaking up. He definitely won't come looking for me again. Jamie.
Thank you for your hard work today. Bye.
You must be Miss Mirabella. Are you hungry? I can prepare lunch right away.
So you're the villa's chef. I heard Xavier gave him paternity leave to go home and take care of his wife and kids. So it's him.
Yes, it's a pleasure to serve you. What would you like to eat for lunch?
Just a few dishes will do, sir. Could I learn a few dishes from you?
Oh, is that all right, sir?
Of course! What do you want to learn? Just tell Lee. He's a 5-star chef. He's good at all kinds of cuisine.
Oh, then could you please not tell your boss I want to surprise him?
What?
Mr. Xavier has finally made it through. Is it going to be mutual now?
Miss Mirabella, you can learn anything you want.
Really, thank you so much. If I want Xavier to do something for me, I have to show some sincerity and try to please him.
Mr. Xavier, Ms. Mirabella met with Gabriel this morning. No need to report further. Just ensure her safety. What did Mirabella and Gabriel do together today? Did they have dinner together? Did they hug today?
Xavier, what happened to your hand?
Mirabella is at home. Did Mirabella have a fight with Gabriel? I'm so happy.
What's wrong with your hand?
Oh, nothing.
Let me see.
Mirabella held my hand again.
What happened?
Well, I accidentally cut it on some glass.
Then you should let the butler bandage it for you.
It's okay. I'll just go upstairs and bandage it myself.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Bella, do you have something you want to tell me? Don't tell me you're moving out of the villa. No way. Absolutely not. She can have her relationship. I won't interfere. As long as she doesn't bring Gabriel back to the villa.
Mister, do you think I can succeed tonight?
Miss Mirabella, do you really want to hear the truth?
What do you mean, is my cooking that bad?
Well, the braised pork you made. The braised pork. I can't say it's not tasty. Let's just say that pig died in vain.
Hey,
Oh dear. It seems I only have a talent for eating.
Mirabella, I'm going back to the hotel. What's that you're wearing? Are you in the kitchen?
Yeah, I'm about to cook.
What are you making? The kitchen is full of oily smoke. It's bad for your skin. And what if you burn yourself?
I'm not making it for myself, I'm making it for Xavier.
Why should he eat your cooking?
Well, I'm trying to get information about our fourth brother from him, but we don't have any connections in the slums, so I have to make a gesture.
Mirabella, it's all my fault that you've sacrificed so much. I haven't even tasted your cooking yet.
Come on. You think your sister's cooking is good? My cooking skills are just so-so.
That's what I thought. Your cooking isn't that great, so I'm a little worried about Mr. Xavier.
Hey, you!
Whatever. Why did you hang up? Sir, these dishes were all made by Miss Mirabella herself. She said she wanted to surprise you.
Yes, specially prepared for you. I hope Xavier doesn't realize that these dishes were made by Chef Lee.
This isn't Bella's cooking, but it's fine if she's willing to go through the trouble to deceive me.
Did something happen?
What? Nothing happened. I just simply wanted to make you something delicious.
Tell me.
It's just that my fourth brother used to live in the slums, but he moved out a while ago. I can't find him, but I think he should still be in the slums. Do you have any way to find him?
No problem. What's your fourth brother's name?
Albert.
This fish is delicious. Try it and eat more.
This is delicious too.
Mirabella gave me some food. So happy.
Mr. Xavier has OCD. He definitely won't eat food from someone else's chopsticks. OCD is your lie.
The entire slum is being investigated. I'll let you know if there's any news.
Thank you.
Thank you, too, for taking the time for me. You don't have to worry too much. The investigation takes time. I believe there will be news soon.
I think so too. Oh right, I heard you've also been in the slums, really.
Is she concerned about me? I used to stay at the orphanage there.
You're amazing the poor students there can afford to study because of you.
When I was there, I also received help from others.
Wow. Passing on kindness, it warms my heart. Xavier said Albert was under this bridge before. I don't know if he's still there.
Let's go see.
Albert.
Mirabella. I'm too dirty.
Where have you been these days, you little rascal? I've been looking for you. Come home with me.
I won't go back. I don't want to go back. Get lost.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Mirabella, you go first. I can't go back with you.
Jane, don't be afraid. I'm not a bad guy. I'm here to protect you.
Protect us.
Yeah.
Jane, this is my sister. We can go with her.
You're so pretty. Let's go home. Come on.
Mirabella, do you need help?
You're following me.
Not really. I just paid a private investigator to find out where you are.
Do you think this is something to be proud of? Invading my privacy? I can call the police.
I'm sorry, Mirabella. I didn't mean to. I just missed you so much.
Albert, help her to the car first.
Are you crazy? Leave my sister alone! Sorry, Albert. I'm here to apologize to her. Let me take you to the hospital.
No, we can go ourselves.
That day, I went to your place to find you. The neighbors said. A man came to find you last night and beat you and Jane. Is that true?
Yes.
Who was that guy? Why did they hit you?
Now tell me everything that happened to you these years.
Back then, I was tricked because I was greedy for food and taken to the mountains. I met Jane there. Jane was also brought there. We depended on each other. We tried to escape once, but they caught us and beat us. Jane protected me. That's why she became insane.
Damn human traffickers! I will never forgive them!
I escaped when I was 10. We ran all night before we finally got out of that mountain village. I taught Jane in advance to appear like a normal adult, just taking me out to play. We traveled along the way and finally returned to Jing City.
But you're back here. Why didn't you go to find your second brother? He wouldn't ignore you.
I didn't want Jane and I to be a burden to my brothers. Fortunately, the slums have a low cost of living. I can still apply for living expenses for school. I can also take on some part-time jobs to support us.
Thankfully, Xavier set a foundation.
Otherwise, I really don't know how he and Jane are supposed to live. But now that I've found you, why do you still want to leave? Is there anything you can't tell me?
The man who bought us never gave up looking for us. He's ruthless. He's capable of anything. I'm afraid he'll hurt you. I can't take that risk. I'm sorry, Mirabella.
Don't say sorry. You're the most well-behaved, the most sensible and responsible good boy.
Yes, Albert is our treasure. He even wipes his own butt after pooping.
Here. I've added you and transferred you 100,000 yuan.
Thank you, Mirabella.
No need to say that it's not my money, it's your second brother's.
Mirabella, could you please not tell Sebastian everything that happened to me? I'm afraid he'll blame himself even more.
I know. Tonight, you just stay with Jane here. Tomorrow, I'll hire a caregiver for her. You go to school.
At school, you must go to school.
Okay.
Mirabella. Yeah.
What's up?
Well, my friend gave me a nice bottle of wine. Do you want to try some?
Oh, sure. Wait for me.
Grape wine. Hello, Jing Circle Buddha. It's so late, why aren't you asleep?
No one calls me that. Only you.
That's because they don't dare call you that to your face. Behind your back, they all call you that.
Mirabella.
Yeah.
I'll go back tomorrow.
Now that we've found Albert. Don't overthink it. Don't blame yourself too much. It's not your fault. It's the human trafficker's fault. Don't let other people's mistakes hurt you. Okay?
Okay.
Get some rest early. Bye.
Okay. Mirabella always does this, shouldering everything alone.
Why are you staring at me like that?
You can be upset.
What's there to be upset about? I'm just a little sad.
You can show your emotions. At least with me.
Really?
Don't you consider me your nemesis? So now you're worried about how you appear in front of me.
I guess so.
I feel so bad for Albert and for Jane. Those traffickers deserve to die. I really want to kill them. I miss my parents so much. I really miss them.
感觉还是一个人，每当我笑了，心却更不忍。
If you want to laugh, then laugh. I don't care.
I don't want to. You're so cute. How could I possibly laugh at you?
How dare you! Actually laugh! How dare you! I trusted you so much! And you still laughed! I'll remember this!
I'm sorry.
That's more like it. I'm tired from crying. I'm going upstairs to rest. 我的脸再靠近一点。
Breakfast is ready, let's eat.
I won't eat today. I'm going to the hospital.
So unlucky. I attended an event early in the morning and broke my hand because of a car accident.
Miss Helen, Gabriel told us, to choose the biggest ward for you. Let me take you there.
I want to choose myself.
What do you want to eat? Albert will buy it.
I'll go buy it.
I want this one.
Move to another ward.
We got here first. We won't do as you like. You don't own this hospital.
Yes, I do.
Tell you what, I'll switch you to the biggest VIP suite, no extra charge. How about that?
Hurry up and switch. If you don't switch, get out.
Okay. Let's go now, Albert. Pack our things.
No way! Who gave you the right to do this? Don't give them a better one.
Then we won't switch. We've already paid for this room anyway. Even if this hospital was yours, you have no right to tell me what to do.
Miss Helen, the ward next door is bigger. I'll arrange for you to stay there. No, I want this one. If you give her a better ward, you'll be fired.
Helen, does your arm still hurt?
Gabriel, it hurts so much. I want this ward, but the nurse won't let me have it.
We have to have it, my woman. In my family's hospital. Can stay wherever she wants. How did you handle this? How can you not even handle such a small matter?
The patient's family refused.
Just tell them. If they are unwilling to switch, they can transfer to another hospital. Transferring hospitals is out of the question. Our hospital never kicks patients out like this.
What do you mean?
What bad luck.
Helen, we're public figures. If the patient posts this online, it'll be a big deal for us.
But
Helen, be good. I'll buy you that bag you like. How about that?
Okay then, I'll listen to you.
Mirabella is still mad at me. I can use Helen to provoke her. I don't believe she won't get jealous. Let's go.
There you are. Let me introduce you. This is Jane.
Hello, Jane. Sebastian. Sebastian, I miss you so much.
Albert said he missed me. He doesn't hate me, Albert. I'm sorry.
I'm the one who should be saying sorry. If I had gone back to find you sooner, you wouldn't feel bad for me for so long.
Hey, wait. Sebastian, you call Albert fourth brother. So what do you call third brother? Honey.
All right, Albert. You keep studying at number 3 middle school for the next few days. I'll transfer you to number 1 middle school ASAP.
Me?
I also want to go to number 1 middle school.
Okay. But with my grades, I don't know if number 1 middle school will accept me.
What's your total score now?
Less than 600.
That's pretty good. There's still more than half a year until the college entrance exam. You study hard. Definitely above 600. How much specifically? Huh?
60.
60? What are you laughing at?
Sis, why are you hitting me? Take it easy, Albert is so smart.
Still taking it easy? 60 points. You can't even get in with your toes. Sweeping in class, fighting, dating, or what?
This Gabriel, what's the meaning of deliberately coughing at the door? Can't let sister see him. Whose 100 is this?
Where? Sister Jamie, you dropped your money? You picked it up, so it's yours. Then, let's split it. We're rich.
Yay.
How do we split one, Bill? Give it back to me.
Mine.
Mine. Give it back.
If I remember correctly, this hospital is owned by Gabriel.
Yes.
Let's ask the ladies to transfer to another hospital. Don't let Gabriel upset my sister.
Okay, Mr. Sebastian.
No, I still need to call Mr. Xavier.
Mr. Xavier, did you forget to change your tie today?
No. The tie Bella tugged on, wearing it one more day, putting it away tonight.
This year's charity foundation has a new project, helping lost or trafficked children find their families. Also, no matter how much manpower or money it takes, thoroughly investigate Albert's disappearance. I will put these traffickers in jail. Yes, sir. Mr. Xavier, our company is having a dinner party tonight. My assistant and I will be attending. I wonder if it would be convenient for you to bring my sister along. She's in room 1004 at Kangyue Hospital. You don't need to bring anything.
Gabriel, I've been walking on this road for 3 hours. I really can't walk anymore.
Here, sit. Take a rest here.
Find a way to get the family member of the patient in room 1004.
Well,
You can't do that?
I'll do it right away. Hello, family for 1004, please. Please come out. Items ready for pickup at the nurse's station. Okay.
Hello, I'm the family member of the patient in room 104. What do I need to pick up?
This is for you. Everyone needs to see this.
Oh, okay. What does Gabriel mean by this? Showing off that he has a girlfriend immediately after breaking up? No one cares. Okay.
She must be jealous. I tried to be nice with you, but you refused. You're just asking for it. Why hasn't Mirabella accepted my friend request? Ugh, she's definitely too proud. She can't save face. I still need to talk to her alone.
Xavier, why are you here?
Sebastian asked me to pick you up.
Oh, well, have a seat.
Today, the bodyguards told me everything. Gabriel deliberately brought Helen to show off in front of Bella. He clearly chose a new girlfriend. Why is he still sneaking around to see Bella? He wants to have his cake and eat it too. Auntie.
How's your hand?
Bella held my hand again. Bella must have seen Gabriel. She's using me to get back at him, isn't she? It's fine, though.
Luckily, there's no scar.
Very good, Mirabella. So that's how you want to play it.
Albert said he'll be here soon to take over. Let's go back.
Okay.
Jane, Albert will be here soon.
We're leaving now. Take care.
Xavier probably doesn't know about me and Gabriel, right? Why did Xavier hold my hand?
Since Bella wants to use me to get back at Gabriel, I might as well help her.
You guys.
Oh, ouch! Oh my god, how could I have such an embarrassing ex-boyfriend? I'm so embarrassed.
Well, aren't you concerned about him? He looks like he's dying.
Good. Xavier not only knows Gabriel, but he also knows we dated. Why should I care about him? We've already broken up, and he has a new girlfriend. He doesn't need my concern.
You broke up. That makes sense. Even the rumored girlfriend showed up. Bella can't possibly still be dating Gabriel. Well, Bella, don't be too upset. I guess he's not having a good time either.
Upset? I'm not upset at all. Prejudice in people's hearts is like a huge mountain. Why does everyone think I like him so much? I just acted on impulse. I can't afford to be so rash again. It's even on my record now. Sebastian! Why did he suddenly ask Xavier to pick me up? Could it be that Sebastian deliberately asked Xavier to pretend to be my boyfriend? Why does he help with everything? This is a huge misunderstanding. Thank you for your help today. Sorry, but also thank you.
No problem. No big deal. Being used by you makes me happy, Bella.
Hey sis, did something happen?
Sebastian, I'm formally informing you. I don't like Gabriel. I really don't like him. I'm not just being spiteful. He's dating someone else, and I'm not sad at all. And back then, I didn't really like him that much. It was my fault for impulsively agreeing to date him. I was wrong. I apologize. I write a 3,000-word apology. You helped me write it. Anyway, don't do these unnecessary things anymore. Got it?
I'm sorry, sister. I understand.
Bella never actually liked Gabriel. So does that mean I can try standing by Bella's side?
Did you forget what I said last night?
I didn't. I'll never forget it. I wrote a whole 3,000-word apology.
Good. Let's go. Pick up Jane from the hospital.
Mirabella, I need to talk to you. Can you give me a moment?
Gabriel, why are you so clingy?
Go back to the ward and help Jane pack. I'll give you 1 minute to say what you need to say. I hope from now on you'll disappear from my sight.
Mirabella, I know you're jealous about me and Helen, and you're using Xavier to spite me, but I can cut ties with Helen. Can you give me a chance?
Gabriel, are you out of your mind? Listen to me. I don't like you at all. Be with whoever you want. It has nothing to do with me. I don't care at all. Okay, time's up.
Mirabella.
Fine, Mirabella. Refuse to be the so-called emotional bridge between the main characters, the dead white moonlight. I am who I am. This time, I'm going to live my own life.
Mirabella! Get lost. Don't think you're so great. Just because Mirabella used you, a shady and despicable person like you will never be worthy of her. Gabriel, I've given you plenty of chances. I was afraid you'd die before, because I didn't want her to grieve. Now Mirabella has made it very clear to you that she doesn't like you. If you ever bother her again, I have plenty of ways
to make your goo family lose everything. You! Gabriel, I'm no longer the pathetic worm you used to trample on. You know, I mean what I say.
Sir, the matter between Mirabella and Gabriel has been cleared up. Aren't you going to confess to Mirabella?
No. Bella and I have plenty of time.
All right, then.
Let's go. Let's go back first. Wait for Bella to come home.
Okay.
Jane, don't be afraid. This is Albert's home. It's your home too. From now on, you two will live peacefully here.
Sister. Sebastian. Thank you.
Cut the crap! Haven't beaten you up in a while, have I? All right. Anyway, the hard times are over. A bright future is waving at us.
Yeah, Albert. The bad guys who bullied you have been brought to justice. From now on, you never have to worry about them hurting you and Jane.
Really? That's great.
I've changed the course of the novel. My brothers shouldn't end up with the tragic fates in the novel. This is the happy ending we deserve. My brothers are not some cannon fodder villains. They are my best brothers. Oh no! How could I forget about Samuel?
Sis, I'm back.